Good morning, students of class 9B. Welcome in video class of mathematics. Chapter 5 is continue, that is simultaneous linear equations in two variables. In the last live class, I have explained what is this linear equations. Just I want to recall again. Linear equation, the equations that have power 1, index 1 or exponent 1. Two variables means there should be any two variables, any two English alphabets such as x, y, a, b, l, m, like that. If you take example of this 11x minus 8y equal to 27, this became the linear equation of two variables in which variables are x and y. Now after that I had explained why it is called linear. It is called linear because when you plot the different values of x, y on the graph sheet and you join all those points, then you will get a straight line. Due to this reason, this equation is called linear equation. A straight line that is indicated as linear line, so this equation is named as linear equations. Since there is two variables, therefore it is named as linear equations in two variables. One more word is added to this chapter, simultaneous. Simultaneous means there will be two linear equations and both the equations will be satisfied by any values of x and y, that is obtained from equation number 1 or equation number 2. Since by these two values of x and y, both the equations are satisfied, means both equations depend on the values of x and y. Therefore, these two equations are called simultaneous. So the name of the chapter became simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So in these simultaneous linear equations, we are asked to find the values of these two variables. Those are x and y. As the name is given simultaneous, so there will be two linear equations. Here we have two processes to find the values of x and y. First is substitution method and second is addition or subtraction method. What is this substitution method? How will we apply substitution method to find the value of x and y of those two linear equations? Those are simultaneous. Here I am taking one example. Suppose those two linear equations are 11x minus 8y plus 20 equal to 27 and 3x plus 5y equal to minus 7. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we are applying substitution method to find the value of x, y. So from equation number 2, we can find out the value of x in this way. 3x equal to minus 7 minus 5y. By the substitution method, 5y went that side. After changing the side, the sign will also change and now it became minus 7 minus 5y. So x equal to minus 7 minus 5y will be divided by the coefficient of x, and in this way we will have x equal to minus 7 minus 5y by 3. Let us consider equation number 3. Now from 1, in equation number 1, we will substitute this value of x. Due to this cause, this process is named as substitution method. I repeat, now in equation number 1, I used equation number 2. Now from equation number 2, I got the value of x. Now we will substitute this value of x in equation number 1. Due to this reason, this method is called the substitution method. And let us substitute this value in equation number 1. What will we get? We see 11x means 11 into this value. At the place of x, we will substitute this value. So minus 7 minus 5y by 3. At the place of x, I kept this value, I substitute this value. Minus 8y equal to 27. Now I multiplied these two terms by 11. 11 into minus 7 minus 77. 11 into minus 5y minus 55y by 3. Minus 8y equal to 27. I have taken the LCM. LCM became 3. Minus 77y minus 55y Here is 1. This LCM is divided by 1. We got 3. 3 into 8y equal to minus 24y, that is equal to 27. Now I cross multiplied these two numbers. So for that I wrote at first this minus 77 minus 55y minus 24y minus 79y equal to 3 into 27, that is 81. From here we are trying to find the value of y. So y containing term will be separated. So minus 79y equal to 81 plus 77. Minus 79y equal to, that sum became 158. So y equal to 158 by minus 79. This will be cancelled and we got minus 2. So y equal to minus 2. Now we substitute this value of y in equation number 3 to get the value of x. So from 3, x equal to minus 7 minus 5 into minus 2. At the place of y, we substituted the value of y, that is minus 2. We get minus 7 minus 5 into minus 2 by 3. In this equation, at the place of y, I substituted the value of y, that is minus 2. Now calculate it. Minus 7 minus minus plus 5 to the 10 by 3. This 10 minus 7, 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. In this way, we get the values of x and y, that is x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. So this is the substitution method to get the values of unknown variables. Those are x and y. You know there are two processes to solve the unknown variables x and y. First was substitution method, that is explained already, and second is addition or subtraction method, that is left. I shall explain this in the next video class. Thank you everybody.